collecting deposits and final balances for your events or coaching programs. Splitting payments across different gateways can trigger processor flags, leaving your funds on hold. And nobody wants that stress. Here is a beginner-friendly way to keep track of deposits and balances for your events. Set up a Google Sheet with deposit paid and balance due columns. Then use check boxes to mark completed payments. This helps you see at a glance which attendees still owe money. It is a useful manual step to stay organized, but it won't protect your payments from being flagged if you process split or high ticket transactions across multiple and stable gateways. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. With transaction routing, you can safely process deposits and balances under one stable account, even for high ticket or split payments. Plus, their hosted checkout makes it easy to send secure payment links to your clients, keeping everything flowing smoothly without holds. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With transaction routing and hosted checkout, you will never have to worry about split payments causing interruptions. Managing deposits and balances should be simple, not stressful. EasyPay Direct helps you process payments safely, keep your account stable, and focus on delivering a great event or coaching experience. Use the link in the description to get started today.